This is exactly how Kylie Jenner has made $1 billion net worth at the age 21. And you can also model this kind of results absolutely for free. Hello Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you about how Kylie Jenner has made $1 billion net worth at the age 21 and exact steps that you can also follow for making this kind of results right now. So make sure you didn't skip a single part of this video and watch this video till the end to understand each and every steps properly. Before starting, make sure you press the red subscribe button and press on the bell icon and press all for getting all my future video notifications at the first. Kylie Jenner is an Instagram celebrity and made all of her earnings from posting on Instagram, as people say, which is not true actually. It's partially true, not fully true actually. So let me quickly grab my phone and I'll show you some of the statistics for Kylie Jenner's earning proof. So I'm on my phone right now and I'm going to Google and I'm searching for Kylie Jenner net worth here. Let's see what Google says about. So here, open up the news page of Google about Kylie Jenner's net worth. Here you can see her estimated earning is around $1 billion at the age 21 according to March 2019. So for next we'll confirm by going to another Google and type in Google Social Blade. It's actually a website where we can see how much an Instagram influencers are earning, and Google, YouTube, we can see everyone's how much people are earning from social media who are creator of social media like me. So you can see for Instagram, we'll click on Instagram, going the top of this page of Social Blade. Then we can see, we go on the search bar and we'll type for, I'm typing for Kylie Jenner and we'll click on search button. Well, let's see what's come up. Here we can see Kylie Jenner's post has come up. That we can see, okay, this is the profile of Kylie Jenner of Instagram account. We'll select this channel here. Here everything about Kylie Jenner's channel is came up. It's Kylie Jenner's profile. It's not accurately true, it's an approximation. So then also we can understand, we guess how much she's earning from the post of Instagram page. Here you can see everything is been given here. You can also see in Social Blade. Here you can see her monthly earning estimate is 1.1k monthly earning and 13.2k yearly earning. But tell me one thing, how it's possible? In Google it is showing her monthly earning is around 1 billion, and here it's in the post in the social blade is showing around 13.2k 2000. That's it. How this possible? So I'll be telling you how this is possible. For each post in the Instagram she's posting, for her an estimated revenue is around 13.2k, whereas all of her earning is not through Instagram posting. She's selling her products, that is Kylie Cosmetics. From that she's earning all of her money and revenues are there. To achieve this kind of result, the first step is to create a Instagram business page. I have created a detailed video on how can you create a Instagram business page and how can you make $5,000 per week using Instagram free traffic. If you haven't seen this video, then click on this link above that is coming in the suggested part of this video. The second step is to keep on uploading quality content, pictures and videos in a particular niche that you have chosen. For this video I have chosen a woman's fashion as an example for this. But from where I'll get the content for uploading in these things? So let me quickly grab my phone and I'll show you how can you get your contents for uploading in your Instagram page. So you need to go to your Google, and yeah, I'll go into Google and I'll search for a website called Pixabay. Don't worry, I'm not affiliated to any kind of these websites. So I'm using for this one for uploading my quality pictures here. This is the website called Pixabay. Here you can get millions of pictures out there of any niche. So here I'll be choosing as women's fashion here. So I'll be writing women's fashion here. Sorry, women's clothing I'll write here. fashion I'm not writing. So women's clothing, I'm going for women's clothing here, and I'll give one search. Here you can see there are millions of pictures that have come up that I can use for this, and this all the pictures are commercially available for for commercialization. They will not sue you anything out there. So we can use this kind of photos here. We'll see it. This is the picture that we can use here, and we'll keep on free download, and we'll press on 1920. This is the website that I'm using. You can use. I'm using, and you can also use for uploading your pictures and keep on uploading the pictures out there. You should upload the pictures up till it has reached 200 posts, 2000 posts there, and you have got around 50k followers. Once you have got 2000 posts in your page and around 50k followers, now it's a time for you to earn money from your Instagram page. So for that, you need to go to your Google site and search for a website called shoutcart.com. That is SHOUTCART. It is actually a website in which the brand owners are coming for advertising from the influencers, Instagram influencers and YouTubers. Here you can see there are thousands of Instagram and YouTubers that have registered for this site. Here they have they've created their page of certain niche, and big brands or brands like us are going to this site and purchasing a post ad from them. For every post they will charge some you can charge some money for that. For example, for upload suppose your page is around niche of health niche. So whenever any health brand will come to you and approach you, and they will give some ads of their product with their links for uploading to your page, they will pay you some money. Usually you can start from taking $10 per post, and depending on how many days they will need the post in your feeds, you will charge them. And plus the swipe up links are there, you can charge different amount for that. And the timings, you can, in this way, the Instagram page owner, that's you, will be around in the future, will earn money from this without any upfront cost, and free of cost you'll start earning money. So stop giving any excuses. You can start doing this kind of steps right now and start earning money from that. Yeah, it will take some time. It may take 9 to 10 months, but it's worth it doing it. So start your journey right now of doing this one and make millions of dollars from the starting. I'm also started this kind of results, and I'll show you after I have reached that kind of levels. I'm not sure what are the name of my Instagram page. This is the exact steps Kylie is using for making her $1 billion by selling her cosmetics around. So this is very easy without any upfront cost. You can start doing this one right now. So start your journey right now. Yeah, it will take some time, around 9 to 10 months, but you should keep on uploading your posts, and it's worth it actually. So I have also in a stage of I am doing these things right now, but I'll not show the name till I'll show in future after I reach that kind of levels. I've started this right now. I'm keep on uploading posts in my Instagram page. I'll tell you my Instagram page, our name afterwards. I've reached some amount of traffic, some followers. I've received some followers, but I'll tell you this one afterwards. So start your journey right now. If you haven't seen how I'm making $6,000 per day using Facebook ads, low budget Facebook ads, then click on this video right now.